All right, for question number one, we want to convert 10,000 meters to millimeters. So the first step would be to copy down the base number as well as the base unit. So in this case, it would be 10,000 meters. Step two is to convert 10,000 meters into centimeters. So you want to decrease the increment each time. So you start with meters, right? You want to make it smaller. So you want to convert it to centimeters and then finally millimeters. So doing it in this like increment makes it easier to calculate and it makes it easier to keep track of all your numbers. So you would do times a fraction for the first unit conversion, and then the bottom would be 1 meter. So that's like a general rule. You want to always have like one at the bottom. Well, that's in most cases. So 10,000 meters times some number over 1 meter. So if you want to convert to centimeters, right? You want to have centimeters at the top. And you want to know how many centimeters are in 1 meter. So that's basically like how many centimeters per 1 meter. So that would be 100 centimeters per 1 meter. So that would be our first unit conversion. We successfully completed the centimeters part. Now, if you want to convert it to millimeters, right? You want to keep going by doing a second unit conversion. So this second conversion, you would have 1 centimeter at the bottom, and you want to know how many millimeters are in 1 centimeter. Well, we know that is 10. And then that would be our last unit conversion. So our next step is to multiply all these numbers together. So you want to do 10,000 times 100 times 10. And that'll get you 10 million millimeters in 10,000 meters. First question done. All right, question two. We got convert 1 year to seconds. So like I said in question one, you want to write down the base unit as well as the base number. The base number would be 1 here. All right, so that would be 1 year. And then this question involves a lot of calculations, a lot of unit conversions because, I mean, 1 year compared to seconds, 1 year is like a lot larger unit than seconds. All right, I'm just gonna guess they're like over 10 million seconds in 1 year. That's just my estimate, but according to this unit conversion, we'll figure that out later. So 1 year times. So you want to decrease the increment each time if you're converting it to a smaller increment. So that'd be 12 months in 1 year for the first unit. So that'll get you how many months in a year, which is 12. Um, Second unit conversion, that'll be months at the bottom. So 1 month. And then how many days are in a month? So that'll be around 30 days. Third unit conversion would be 1 day at the bottom. And then 24 hours at the top because 24 hours are in 1 day. Fourth unit conversion, that would be 1 hour at the bottom and then 60 minutes. So our goal here is just to like make it more specific each time. All right. So like each unit conversion, it gets smaller. So 1 month in 1 year, 30 days in 1 month. You just want to keep going until you get to seconds. So you would have 1 minute here at the bottom and then 60 seconds at the top here. And then we're done with this, all these unit conversions. Now we want to multiply all these numbers together. So you would have 1 year times 12 months times 30 days times 24 hours times 60 minutes times 60 seconds. All right, that will get you 30 31,104,000 seconds in 1 year. That'll be your final answer for question number 2. All right, question number 3. We're trying to convert 5 liters to milliliters. So we want to write down 5 liters. And then our unit conversion here would be 1 liter at the bottom. And then milliliters, we know that 1,000 milliliters are in 1 liter because mil means 1,000th. So we know that 1,000 of those equals 1. So that'll be 1,000 ml. That'll be our unit conversion. We're done. That was a short one. So we would do 5 times 1,000. And that'll get us 5,000 milliliters in 1 liter. And that'll be our final answer for question number 3. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment, subscribe, like the video, and we also have a tutoring video request form in the description. So if you guys have any video ideas, feel free to submit that form and we'll look at it. So, yep. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.